We know before we answer the resistance to be found when we speak of what you call your drugs, for it is tender ground. Your world has waged a war on drugs with no one asking why. Your governments make illegal the same drugs they supply. You are given information that is flashed across your screen on effects of drugs on others and discriminative seen. We do not speak of things not known, for those who wish to seek can find their confirmation of that of which we speak. You ask if they are right or wrong, we answer neither way. It is no one's place to judge another's action in this way. However, we continue, so perspective you can see. There is nothing Mother Earth does grow that was not meant to be. The war you rage on drugs is focused not on those supplied, created by another with strong chemicals inside. Drugs of man's creation that can stop your very breath. Drugs created purposely and causing many deaths. The war most raged is on your plants, your mother's gift to you. Your herbal gardens prosper with the doorways to your truth. Awakenings and healing contained within their leaves. These are what you fear the most, that put you ill at ease. Your plants are made illegal and you are banned from use, encouraged to drink substance that instigates abuse. Wrongly you believe they stop you simply due to greed. The reason is not money, but power in the seed. Your indigenous have used these herbs with no form of abuse, instructed in the purpose and the outcome of their use. Some present a doorway to the world you cannot see. Others stop mind chatter and simply let you be. Cures for your cancers and illness of the mind. This is what your leaders fear, the things that you will find. Your governments don't stop you for the dangers to your health. If that was their concern, then they'd not make drugs themselves. Nor is it the power, nor the money that they make. It's to prevent you from awareness, so that you don't awake. The plants that grow within your ground, an offering from earth, are of benefit to many who recognize their worth. Many not yet on their path experiment for fun. Others choose in ignorance to judge what they've not done. Those who shout out loudest about your herb's abuse do not from informed knowledge nor experience of use. You ask about the right or wrong. Is it not wrong to you that you imprison someone's body for a crime not done to you? You take away their sovereign rights and lock them in a cell within the bounds of common law. They've done no wrong to tell. We are not saying everyone should now use what is grown, but before you shout opinion, ensure its knowledge known. Drugs of harm are many and easy to be found. They're made in your laboratory, not grown in your earth's ground. You all take these drugs daily for a wide range of disease, trusting what your pill contains, swallowing with ease. There are drugs of harm placed in your food, your drinks, and in your air. It is this that should be of concern, and yet few humans care. It is hard for us to understand, for only on your earth do you judge another's actions to deem them of their worth. You spend much time with worry as you go about your day, on thoughts of what another thinks or does and what they say. When living as intended, you respect another's right. You need not ask the question, is it wrong or is it right? But we can assure you not to worry, for the change that comes your way will not require any drugs to see you through your day.